Are you thinking about buying a Cirrus SR22 but you're having a hard time estimating ownership cost? On this video, we will cover hangar prices, insurance costs, aircraft inspections, and more. Welcome to my aviation channel. I'm Pablo with Aldebaran Aviation, and today we will review the ownership cost of the Cirrus SR22. Before digging deep into ownership costs, I have to clarify some issues. We will calculate the cost structure for a 2010 Cirrus SR22 with Cirrus perspective. The aircraft will be based in Hayward, California. We will use this information for fuel and hangar prices. You have to calculate this based on your own reality. Number 3, and most important, please don't share this video with your wife, because she may not like it once she realizes the amount of the bill. Number 4, we're not including aircraft depreciation as an expense. If you include this in your analysis, costs may double. And finally, on this example, we will fly 15 hours per month, so a total of 180 hours per year. The ownership costs you will see on this video are based on chats with some of my Cirrus clients, Cirrus POH, and info from the COPA website. This slide is about fixed costs. Remember, no matter if you fly or not, you have to pay for this. The first item is the hangar. I set apart $4,500 for a hangar. This may significantly change depending on your location and the kind of hangar that you're renting, so please invest some time researching about it. The $4,500 of this example is for a standard T hangar in Hayward, California. Owner's insurance costs will be around $4,000, assuming that you have an instrument rating and about 300 hours of flight time. The typical flat fee inspection charge at an authorized Cirrus service center will run in the $2,500–$3,000 range. This amount covers the basic inspection cost of the engine, propeller, and airframe. The inspection fee does not cover the cost of parts and labor for corrective maintenance, so think about a total cost of $4,000 to $5,000. Parachute repacking needs to be done once every 10 years, and the cost for this is between $15,000 and $20,000. Further, the 10-year repack isn't the only CAPS maintenance to deal with. There is also a 6-year replacement of the line cutters used in the parachute deployment. I'll recommend you to set apart $10 per hour. Aircraft property tax may apply for your plane, but it will vary depending on your location, so keep this in mind if you have to pay for it. Regarding variable costs, we have fuel, oil, and engine overhaul. Fuel price is going to be around $5.5 per gallon, and this aircraft will burn 17 gallons per hour at 75% power in standard conditions. Fuel prices have a huge range depending on your location, so make sure you know the prices at your local FBO. Oil change will be around $6 per hour, and finally, you have to do an engine overhaul at 2,000 hours. The cost of doing this will be around $45,000. A recommended approach for paying this will be saving $23 per hour, so by the time you have to overhaul your engine, you already have the money available to pay for this. When you have to make flying decisions, you need access to some information, and the way how you access to these services is through monthly or yearly subscriptions. I've selected some of the most popular subscription services. One of the most popular weather subscription services today is ForeFlight. A subscription to ForeFlight Pro Plus will be $17 per month. This subscription will allow you to check the weather and more features when you're connected to internet. You know that when you're flying, you won't have a stable internet connection, so if you want to check the weather, you must be subscribed to a service like Cirrus XM. Cirrus has a subscription where you can sync your ForeFlight subscription easily for $40 per month. If you don't live in the US, you need to get worldwide weather services like the one offered by Garmin Connects Weather for about $80, or explore local solutions depending on your location. A subscription to COPA website can give you special access and relationship with companies that provide parts and services for Cirrus aircraft for about $65 per year. You can also pay for additional subscriptions like navigation data, charts, music service, satellite phone, text messages, and more. If you're a new pilot and new aircraft owner, it may be a good idea to hire a maintenance management service. For sure, you will have a high cost if you take your Cirrus to the service center and have them do everything they recommend. One way to reduce your costs is to engage Savvy to help manage the maintenance. They act as an intermediary between you and the shop and can advise what you need to do and what is clearly unnecessary. Unscheduled maintenance, unexpected repairs, parts to be replaced, and aircraft watch may add extra money through the year, but it's really hard to estimate an accurate number for this. We will budget $4,000 for this item for now, but one year it may be $2,000 and the next year $10,000. Feel free to send us an email if you have any questions about this aircraft. We're happy to help you buying or selling a Cirrus. Have a wonderful day.